Hi, this is Jason from the QuickBooks team. Before you record any sales in QuickBooks Desktop, it's important to set up your company file and understand the sales workflow that best relates to your business. Let's go over how to set up customers, items and services, and which sales forms are right for you. Not all sales require you to record a name for the customer or donor. If you want to keep track of how much money you receive from someone, though, set them up as a customer or donor. Select Customers to start. Your customers appear on this list. When you select a customer's name, you see their contact details and past transactions. If you see indented names, these are assigned jobs to the customer above. Set up a job anytime you do work for a customer that you want separate reports for. This is helpful if you want to measure the profitability of specific projects. Select New Customer and Job to set up something new. Fill in the customer or job info. QuickBooks recalls it later as you fill in transactions or run reports. If you give customers a set number of days to pay the invoices you send them, be sure to select Payment Settings, and then assign the payment terms you give them. If you've already set up a customer or job and want to edit them, double-click their name. Once you've set up who you charge for products and services, it's important for you to set up your items and services list. You should set up anything you charge or receive donations for on this list. Select Item, New. Fill in the details for what you charge. Most items and services will be services or non-inventory items, but if you want QuickBooks to track what you have on hand, you should set it up as an inventory item. Then fill in other details, like the description you include on invoices or receipts. Fill in the price you charge customers and an income account that tracks your revenue from sales. Once you've set up what you charge for and who you charge, you're ready to enter your sales. There are two main workflows on how to record sales in QuickBooks. The one you use depends on when you collect payments from your customers. If you deliver services or goods before the customer pays you, record an invoice first. Most service businesses use this form so they can track who owes them money. This process could start with an estimate if your customers request one. If you collect funds right away, use a sales receipt or donation form. Retail businesses and restaurants who do not have a point-of-sale app that integrates with QuickBooks use this workflow, but any business that receives customer payments when they make the sale should use it. Once you know which workflow is for you, open the right form. Then record the customer's name, date of the sale, item or service, and other details. For more info on how to record an invoice or sales receipt, check out one of the videos at the end of this one. Now you're ready to set up your customers and the products and services you charge them for.